Hey boo, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, this bonnet is new and I am loving it. I've always wanted a ridiculously big bonnet that can contain my afro in the state that it is, so that on nights that I'm just too lazy to twist my hair before bed, I could just throw on this bonnet and just be on my way to dreamland. Ooh. I just wanted to show you guys my bonnet. So actually the purpose of today's video is bantu knots. I want to do bantu knots on my hair. I just freshly washed my hair, like I literally washed my hair a few hours ago. But you know, shrinkage, if I off this bonnet now, people will laugh at me. But okay, so this is what we are working with and I want to achieve bantu knots. So let's begin. So the bantu knots that I want to do today, I'm not going to put any added hair. There's not going to be any extensions. It's just going to be my hair, and my hair. Okay, so that's what I want to do. Let's see how it goes. So first of all, I'm going to part off the front. Yeah, let's start with parting off the front. All right. Yeah. Why is it peppering me like this? Only Michael. Oh, Jesus. I'm not usually very tender-headed, but today something is going on. Something is going on today. So for the front, I want to have 5 bantu knots in the front, and I want them in like triangle shapes. So let me see how I'm gonna part that out. I will shoot this bed. I will shoot it. I think it's if I'm doing my hair immediately after washing it, that's when I get very tender-headed. But like on a normal day, I'm not this big a crybaby, okay? I'm going to be using my Eco Styler Sport, this blue gel. Hopefully it doesn't turn white like immediately because if it does, then I'm just going to take a little bit of the gel, just that much, and I'm going to apply it to the section. Okay, I think what I took was even too much. That'll be all. Okay, so I'm going to use my small tooth comb and I'm just gonna bring that whole section together. Okay. Then for the edges, I'm going to take a little bit, just a little bit of my edge control. Okay, I'm going to apply that to the front. Now you want to make sure that when you are twirling the hair like this, you don't do it too tightly, because when you want to form the bantu knot and you're turning your hair around like this, if the roots are too tight, trust that it is going to be very, very painful. So as you can see, I've done the first one. It wasn't too tight. I'm not exactly expecting any form of definition when I take the style down. I just want the bantu knots, so I'm not twirling it too tight, I'm not turning it too tight, I'm not twisting it too tight. I don't want stress. I don't want my scalp to be stressed. I don't want any type of sleepless night. All right, I'm not going for that. I just want my bantu knots to be fine, and I want it to not pain me because my scalp is already paining me. Okay, on to the next one. I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and apply it to like the perimeter of the section, the sides, the front, Just apply it round, not too much so that it doesn't flake. And then I'm going to take a little bit of edge control and I'm just going to apply it to the front area and just like the sides of the front. I'm going too far. Then I'm going to take my tiny tooth comb and just kind of bring that section together. Make sure that the bottom, the roots of the section are smooth. When I'm done with that, I will now begin to twirl the section. Don't forget to make sure that it is not too tight. And my hair is freshly moisturized, by the way. Like I said, I just did my wash day like a few hours ago, so there is pretty much still a lot of my moisturizing agents in my hair. My leave-in conditioner, my cream, my oil, everything is still freshly there. So make sure your hair is moisturized before you do this, okay? Right, so it's looking good. I'm going to do the remaining 2 sections off camera and I will be right back. Oh, okay, it's already looking so good. Hey, hey, hey. I'm already feeling myself and I ain't even half done because there's all this. There's all this to be. Ooh, okay, you know, this is not a bad hairstyle, to be honest, if I could just give my hair some shape. But the aim is Bantu knots and I shall not be distracted. Okay, so let's part off the middle. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna do it. Yeah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no, about. You know what I'll do? I'll start from the bottom section, okay? I'll section off the bottom. I'll come back and meet the middle later. Wow. Okay, I think I've done the back kind of okay-ish now. If the parts are not straight and anybody asks me a question, I'll ask them if they can part the back of their head without seeing it. Rubbish. Everybody better respect me. This is what I'm doing. But I think it's okay. You guys should be the judge. It's okay, right? I think it's alright. It's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a bit of gel. We're at the dreaded middle again. I think I just split it in 2. Let me split it in 2. Oh my god. This hurts so bad. Okay. We have successfully parted it into 2. Now I really don't care if the parts are straight or not. All that I care about is that it is done. Okay, gel's the next thing. So I'm just gonna gel across that section, that middle section. Remember not to use too much, especially if your hair is like freshly moisturized. If not, your hair is gonna flake up. Too much product like causes product buildup, and when the buildup dries, it turns to what? Flakes. That's right. I don't care too much about how the parts at the back look, but I'm really hoping to get like a bit of a triangular kind of something going on there. So I've made another part. I'm gonna take a little gel. I'm gonna just get that part. Yeah. Secure that part with a little gel. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my small tooth comb and I'm just gonna gather up the roots of that section. See, I'm going to continue this battle with the middle of my head off camera. Just remember, I'm applying gel to the roots using my small tooth comb to pick the roots together, and then I'll roll it. So that is the end of this video, and I'm over here feeling very cute. This look is incomplete right now. Just give me a second. Ooh, now we talking. Now we talking. Yeah, that is the end of this video. If you like this look, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. I know you like it. Just go leave a comment, okay? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share this video with every single person that you know. And I'll see y'all in the next one, okay? Bye.